little pony, my little pony. Ah, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. My little pony. Until you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure, tons of fun. A beautiful heart, faithful and strong. Sharing kindness, it's an easy feat. And magic makes it all complete. You have my do you know you're all my very best friends?
Hey! I'm the P to the Inky to the P to I to E. And while I'm at it, bronies, won't you please be friends with me? I'm Pinkalicious.
And these are my very best friends.
Fluttershy. Rainbow Dash. Applejack. You Twilight. Spiked.
And I am the element of laughter. And I can't believe I have my own YouTube account. Oh my god. Well, it's time for me to go now. Bye-bye.